Hello everyone, if you're getting stutters, low FPS or bad performance on Arc Raiders, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix those annoying errors of bad performance on Arc Raiders on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app. You're going to go on to your Arc Raiders directory. So I don't have Arc Raiders installed on my computer, so I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. Click add, then scroll down here and find the Arc Raiders exe. So this one, for example, you're going to make sure it is set to high performance and then have your graphic card on there. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Arc Raiders, you will see that your performance will have been fixed. You will not get those low FPS, stutters or bad performance on Arc Raiders anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.